Hello and welcome to What's That Thing? My name is Whitney and today we are counting farm animals. There was a farmer who worked so hard counting all the chickens in the yard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'There was a farmer who worked so hard counting all the cows in the yard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 'There were some farmers who worked so hard counting all the pigs in the yard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'There were some farmers who worked so hard counting all the horses in the yard. 1, 2, 3, 'There were some farmers who worked so hard counting all the sheep in the yard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 'There was a farmer who worked so hard counting all the ducks in the yard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 'There were many farmers who worked so hard, counting lots of animals in the yard. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You help the channel grow. See you next time.